Complete list of transition words by my English teacher.eu. 100 words and phrases to use between paragraphs. Transitions which connect one topic to another may appear difficult at first, but they become clearer if you explore the numerous options for connecting paragraphs together. Transition words and phrases will improve your paper in moving seamlessly from one topic to another. What are transition words? Transition words are words like and, but, so, and because. They show your reader the relationship between phrases, sentences, or even paragraphs. When you use them, you make it easier for your readers to understand how your thoughts and ideas are connected. If you're looking for a way to connect your paragraphs or sentences, consider using some of these 100 transitions as ideas. Additive transitions. Additive transitions are those you use when you want to show that the current point is an addition to the prior one. A comma should be placed after each transition word or phrase. Indeed, in the first place, and, or, to, nor, further, moreover, furthermore, in fact, let alone, alternatively, as well as this, what is more, in addition to this, actually, much less, on the other hand, either, neither, as a matter of fact, besides this, to say nothing of, additionally, not to mention this, not only this but also that, in all honesty, to tell the truth. Adversative transitions. Adversative transitions are used to express disagreement, contradiction, concession, and rejection. Here are several examples. But, however, on the other hand, in contrast, while, whereas, conversely, even more, above all, but even so, nevertheless, nonetheless, although, though, however, and still, and yet, either way, in either case, or at least, whichever happens, whatever happens, in either event. Causal transitions. Causal transitions, also known as cause and effect transitions, show how particular circumstances or events were caused by other circumstances. These transitions make it easier for the reader to follow the logic of the arguments and sentences represented in paper. Here are several examples. Accordingly, and so, as a result, consequently, for this reason, hence, so, then, therefore, thus, granting, that, on the condition that, in the event that, as a result of this, because of this, as a consequence, in consequence, so much so that, for the purpose of, with this intention, with this in mind, under those circumstances, that being the case, then. Sequential transitions. Sequential transitions represent a numerical chain, continuation, conclusion, digression, restart, or summary. Here are some examples. In the first, second, third, etc. place. To begin with. To start with. Initially. Secondly. Next. Subsequently. Before. Afterward. After this. To conclude with. As a final point. Last but not least. To change the topic. Incidentally. By the way. To get back to the point. To resume. Anyhow. As was previously stated. In short. Thus. In sum. Finally. Take a look at these examples in order to understand how to use transition words. Example number 1. I make it a priority to wake up an hour before I need to leave home each morning. Despite this, I manage to be late to work at least twice per week. Example number 2. Most of the class said Friday was their favorite day of the week. However, a small group of students reported that Wednesday is their favorite weekday. To summarize, use transition words and phrases carefully to keep your paper rolling, your reader's attention, and your audience captivated until the final word. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.